Hey folks, welcome to the RSS FeedParser tutorial series. I just want to take a moment and thank you all for 1000 subscribers. This was a dream that has come true after about a year and a half of continuous videos. So let's just get started with the new tutorial series. I'm happy to announce we'll be doing a RSS FeedParser tutorial series. So let's just get started. We'll just get started by just a short description of what is RSS, what is a feed parser, and what is this series going to be containing, and how is it going to be helping you. And yeah, so what is RSS? RSS is also known as a rich site summary. It is a format for delivering regularly changing web content. News website, web blogs, online publishers, and more chain their content as an RSS feed to whoever it wants, right? So what is a feed parser? Feed parser is basically a Python module that we're going to be using for this video that is used to download and for parsing syndicated feeds. So in this video series, we're going to be using Python and the feed parser module to get the latest updates from your favorite Medium bloggers. So what does this series contain? Basically, in the first video, we're going to be starting out by installing and getting started with the feed parser module. In the second video, or I think within that video, we're going to be interacting with the website. We're going to be understanding basically what the structure of the website is, and we're going to be getting some details from the website, just the title, tags, or maybe a date of publishing and etc. In the third video, we're going to be creating a feed parser for Medium. So basically, we're going to be interacting with the Medium website, Medium blogging website, and we're going to be getting your favorite articles from there. It's just going to be basically a very simple and straightforward code that is going to be used to get titles, get blogs, data, and etc. XYZ from the website. After that, we're going to be creating an advanced feed parser for Medium. So basically, feed parser. So basically, if you want to get specific content, right? Maybe I want blogs from Aryan Irani from his Medium after July 1st. So for that, we're going to be using the date time module that is going to be used to get specific blogs during a time frame. That's going to be the fourth video. We're going to be doing some advanced parsing in using the feed parser module for Medium, and maybe I'll be releasing a special video where we'll be using SMTP-lib, that is a emailing module that is used to send emails, and we're going to be sending the data, we're going to be sending it live, we're going to be sending updated blogs and stuff like that to users who have subscribed or who are interested in getting updates from the Medium bloggers, right? So I hope you enjoyed this series, and I'll be leaving the GitHub link and all the resources from where I have learned and what I'm going to be using in this video in the description. You can check that out, and I'll see you in the next one.